In this video, we are going to run the depreciation on assets. To run the depreciation, we use the T code AFAB. So guys, let me show you the menu path here. From SAP Easy Access, it is Accounting, Financial Accounting, Fixed Assets, Periodic Posting, Depreciation Run, and now double click on Execute. When you double click on this Execute, the system will navigate us to the new window. Here in this screen, we post the depreciation of assets. So what I'll do, I'll enter the company code as ABCC, fiscal year as 2017 and the posting period as 001. That means we are now posting the depreciation for the first period. We also have a checkbox called Test Run. We will keep it as ticked. Okay? That means we are performing the test run as of now. We also have the other fields as main asset number and the sub asset number. We use these fields to specify the system to create the depreciation for a specific asset number. In my case, I leave it as blank as we have created and purchased only one asset as of now. Now, if I execute this transaction, the depreciation will not be posted because it is a test run. And we use this test run to get the information about the errors during the run. Now, I'll just click on this execute button. Yes, you will get a pop-up message with the information that online, that is foreground processing, is limited to approximate 1000 assets. Do you want to continue processing anyway? This means in foreground, the system can run the depreciation posting for only 1000 assets. Please remember this. In foreground, the system can run the depreciation posting for only 1000 assets. Hence, in production system or real projects, we run the depreciation in the background. For now, I'll just click on this yes button. When I click on this, the system will navigate us to the new window. Now, we have got the message as test run completed successfully in the bottom of the screen. If there is any error in the test run during the depreciation posting, then we can find the error list using this button at the top of the window. Now, if I click on the error list button, I will get the message as no errors. In the center of the screen, we can see the account determined as ABCCV, that is the asset account. Moving further, you can see the business area as BA01 and you can observe the depreciation and other depreciation related fields too. Along with that, we can also see the amount by which the asset will be depreciated, that is 822 rupees. Since it's a test run, it will not be posted yet. Here we can also extract this report into local system by using the local file button and select the required format. Now what I'll do is I'll just click on the back button so that this will take us back to our depreciation posting run screen. Here I'll remove the check mark of the test run. What I'll do, I'll just remove the check mark of the test run and we will now execute the depreciation run in the background. To execute the depreciation from the background, what we have to do is, we have to select the program from the SAP menu and then click on Execute in Background. Here we will get the pop-up window requesting for the more details on the background print parameters. Here for the output device, type as LOCL, that is local printer, and then click on OK button. We will get an information message as formatting set to X_65_132. This is just a warning message guys and don't worry about it. So I'll just click on this OK button. Now we'll be taken to a new pop-up window for entering the scheduling time. Here we can see the different options for scheduling this program run in the background. If we want to schedule this particular depreciation posting run at a particular date and time, we can use the date or time button. If we want to schedule this run after a specific batch, then we can make use of after job button. Likewise, we can make use of after event at operation mode buttons based on the requirements. In our activity, we will run the depreciation posting run immediately. So what I'll do, I'll just click on immediate button. After that, I'll now click on this check button. So what is the effect of this check button? This will actually check whether any errors are present. Since we did not receive any error message, that means all the entries are correct. Now I'll click on the save button. Now we will receive the message as background job was scheduled for the program. That means the background job has been scheduled. Now to see the job and its status, what we have to do is we have to go to System from the top menu. Select the services, then jobs, and then click on this job overview. When you click on this job overview, the system will navigate us to the new window. Now, simple job selection screen is opened. The transaction code for the screen is SM37. Got it? What is the transaction code? It is SM37. Guys, this is one of the very important screen for your day-to-day activities as an SAP consultant, because most of the process or programs in production system will run in batch jobs, and getting familiarized with the fields of this screen is very important. Believe me, it is very important. Since we are learning on the asset management now and running the depreciation posting, let's continue with that now. Now for the job name, what I'll do is I'll give it as star, username as user14, that is the login ID. Here I'll keep the remaining selection as default, and then I'll click on this execute button. When I click on this execute button, the system will navigate us to the new window. Now we can see the list of batch job run, which is created by my SAP user ID. We can see our batch job under the column job. It is having the status as finished. Here we also have the column as job spool. What is it? Job spool. This column contains the copy of the generated output data. So to open the spool, what we have to do is we have to select the batch job and then click on the spool button, which is on the top of the screen. When I click on the spool button, the system will navigate us to the new window. Here in this screen, just click on the icon which is under the column type. Now we can see the depreciation posting results. Now what I'll do, I'll now just switch to my previous screen of the asset report. In this asset report screen, we have to click on this refresh button and then go to posted values tab. You can now observe in the below window, that is the status under the period 1 is now changed to post. Can you see this? The status under the period 1 is now changed to posted. That means the depreciation is now posted. In this way, we post the depreciation in the system. Posting the depreciation is one of the month-end activity as an SAP consultant. So at the end of every month, you can run the depreciation manually, or with the help of the technical person, you can schedule a program or batch job to run at a specific date or specific time at specific intervals to complete the month-end activity. So we have now completed our activity on depreciation run.